15 Best Places to Visit in Mumbai to Make the Most of Your Trip. Number 1. Gateway of India. Number 2. Red Carpet Wax Museum. Number 3. Elephanta Caves. Number 4. Siddhivinayak Temple. Number 5. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Number 6. Nehru Center. Number 7. Tarapurwala Aquarium. Number 8. Smash Jr. Number 9. Ja Beach. Number 10. Marine Drive. Number 11. Chota Kashmir. Number 12. Mumbai Film City. Number 13. Snow World. Number 14. Clue Hunt Mumbai. Number 15. Hanging Gardens.